Myself, Wilson. I'm currently doing BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in the Department of Data Science and Cybersecurity in Cornell University. Today, I will be demonstrating a Python lab on a data science ecosystem where we will explore the basics of this dictionary, tuple, sets, NumPy array, and CSV file handling. Let's start by exploring Python data structure and then we move on to the NumPy array and CSV file handling. Before move on to the first question, I would like to tell about what is dictionary. A dictionary is a collections of keys, value passed in Python, which is unordered and mutable. This first, this first question tells it creates a dictionary of book ID as a key and book name as a value passed from user input and retrieves the book name for a given book ID. If we use for loop for searching, it will avoid explicit loop for searching. So by running this code, you can understand better. It is asking enter the number of books to add. So I'm placing here 2. Here it is asking enter the book ID to search. So I'm placing here 1073. So it is showing book ID with name. Next, this code it creates a dictionary mapping subcode to subname from user input. From the user input, we are gaining subcode to subname and looks up the subject name for a given code. Efficient lookup. Searching in a dictionary is faster than searching in a list because dictionaries uses hashing. Okay, I will run this code. So it is asking enter the number of subjects to add. So I'm placing here 2. Next here it is asking enter the subject code to search. We want to place your subject code. So it is showing subject code with subject name. Next question. This code takes a list of string from the user and counts how many have length greater than 2 with the same first and last character. It is useful in data cleaning and text processing while filtering strings based on strings. This question based on list. So I would like to tell about what is list. List is the collections of items in Python which is ordered, mutable and allow duplicate elements. I will run this code so you can understand better. So it is asking enter the number of strings. So I'm placing a 4. So I enter string 1. So here number of strings where the first and last character are not same. So I will again run this code. So you can see now number of strings where the first and last character are same. It is showing 2. Next question. This code creates a list of words from user input and filters all words whose length is greater than n. Can be applied in text processing. For example, extracting long words from a paragraph or data set. Here it is asking enter the number of words. So I'm laying here to enter the word 1. Here it is asking enter the minimum length, and so I'm laying here 3. So it is showing words longer than 3 if Python and Java. Both is longer than 3. Next question. This code creates a set of unique numbers from the user input and find a maximum value in a set. You could also use minimum to find a minimum value or sorted to get all elements in order. I will run this code. Here it is asking enter the number of values to add this set. So I'm placing a 3, enter value 1. Here it is set elements. Minimum value, maximum value in the set is 78. Next, this code creates a set of unique numbers from user input and it will check whether a given value exists in the set, duplicates value or automatically ignored in the set. This question is based on set. I would like to tell about what is set. A set is the unordered collections of unique elements in Python. I will run this code. So it is asking enter the value, number of values to add the set. I'm selecting here 2. So enter a value to check if it is in the set. So the value 56 is present in the set. Next question. This code creates a tuple from user input and calculates the sum of all elements in the tuple. You can also convert a list into a tuple using a tuple for further data safety. This question is based on tuple, so I would like to tell about what is tuple. It is the ordered, immutable collections of elements. I will run this code. So it is asking enter the number of elements for the tuple. So I am placing here 4. So it is showing the sum of tuple elements is 233. Next question. This code creates a tuple from user input and counts how many times a specific number appears using the .count function method. You can also use collections.counter for counting multiple elements at once. If the number is not present, .count function simply returns 0 without errors. I will run this code. It is asking enter the number of elements for the tuple. Enter the number to count in the tuple. So I'm placing a 90. So it is shown the number 90 occurs 1 times in the tuple. Next question. Okay, this code takes two user-defined 2D matrix using NumPy and performs matrix addition and subtraction element twice. Input validation ensures the number of elements matching the specified columns. I would like to say what is NumPy. An NumPy array is a homogeneous multi-dimensional array by the NumPy library. I would like to run this code. It is asking enter the number of rows. What you want, you can enter here. See, it shows matrix addition and matrix subtraction. Next, this is the final question. This code reads a CSV file, extracts the header and rows, and displays the basic details such as number of rows and first 5 records. Collecting rows in num list allows further processing like filtering, aggregation, or conversion to pandas data frame. I would like to tell about what the CSV file is. A comma separated values is a simple file format to store tablet data in plain text. So I would like to run this code. Just it is showing header, number of rows, and first 5 rows of the CSV file. Thank you. This is by Elfin. My registration number is URK24AI 1035.